Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video comes from our Tai Chi training section. It is application of white crane spreads its wings through brush the knee. But before we get there, I need you to go to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Thank you for your continued support. Have a great day. As you drop down to brush the knee and a push, right? That's where it comes. Throws a high hook. We come from here. He throws a low hook. Same hand, right? This is my drop. So you got to throw it on this side. High hook, low hook. You got to keep that Pong. So when he tries to drive in, this is my body stopping. That's one strike, right? Come in from here and then striking to the head. Also, from here, catching or catching. So on this side, comes up 1, 2 is a strike, and then the turn is here. Or a pull, and then down into the ground. So it's a head wrap. You want to make sure the beads are and the back. And you just drive him up and over. So it's a hit, it's a lariat to the back, and a drive forward, in and up. And that plays you through here. High round comes in here. You can also use this into here. But you got to be careful on the inside because you know that shot's going to come. And then your four corner comes in here. Okay? Everybody good? So I'll give you some things to look at. So understanding where it fits. All right. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.